Okay, sa puntong itong dayan, nakakilalanin naman natin si Patis Tesoro sa I Love My Culture.
Patis Tesoro, kilala bilang Grand Dame of Philippine Fashion dahil sa kanyang malikhain at klasikong disenyo sa paggamit ng mga katutubong materyales gaya ng abaka, Mindanao silk at pinya. Isa siya sa tampok na artisan sa nagganap na International Festival of Ordinary Textiles exhibit ng Old Textile Collection na may contemporary textile creations, bilang paggunita sa pagkamalikhain ng tao at ang kahalagahan nito sa ating kultura at pamana.
This is an expression of our culture. If it dies, what is our culture? We cannot just say food. No, we cannot just say those things. It's also how we dress. And I'm not talking about dressing in Filipiniana all the time. No, it's the textile speaks of what our people did for centuries. So, like the pinya, you know, we are the only ones in the whole world that does this. No. Embroiders like this. So once you see it, you go, Filipino. So it is an identity that we cannot lose, and we must give it to our children and our children's to the future. It must continue.
Ipinakita ni Patis ang ilan sa kanyang pinya masterpieces na nagpapakita ng generation sa paggamit ng hibla ng pinya at ang pagbabago ng estilo nito na umaayon sa kasalukuyang panahon.
What is shown here is the old, like the baro, you know, what was worn in the 19th century, 20th. But the beige ones are what we wear today, the 21st century. That time is of an essence today, so it's looser, it's the kimono, it's easier to wear. You can wear it with pantalon, you can wear it with anything. Well, in the old days, that is rigid. You had time to dress up. Even the workers had time to dress up, di ba?
Patis showcase elegant and ornate pinya gowns and barong Tagalogs. Ang bawat grupo ay creatively embellished sa pamamagitan ng intricate embroidery, beading, hand painting, and applique in attractive colors and unique designs. Ang pinya ay considered the finest of all Philippine hand-woven fabrics dahil sa kanyang uniqueness at kagandahan.
Well, because I love pinya. It is iconic to the Philippines. I grew up with my mother, my grandmother, you know, everybody wearing pinya. So much so that we took it for granted. But 30 plus years ago, I discovered that it was dying, no? So we made a foundation under Ramos, and with the help of Patrones Casa Manila and Katutubong Filipino, we have revived it, no? But there is danger now of again being complacent, and it will die again because pinya is very difficult to weave, and take a concerted effort to keep it going. And the only way to keep it going is to buy it through commerce. If we don't buy it, so I say all Filipinos, whether they are 1/4, 1/3 Filipino, mestizo, whatever, full bred, must have a pinya in their closet. And in this manner, we hope it will continue for decades to come.
Ang International Festival of Extraordinary Textiles exhibit ay isang pagtugon sa kahalagahan ng indigenous fabrics and the individuals who turn them into exquisite works of art. At para sa Pilipino, ang pinya ay simbolo ng elegance and sophistication.
Okay, Carla, yan. Nakita mo yung mga damit.
Patis Tesoro, talagang napakagaling na designer.